Okay, let's crack a real estate case on a single street in Sacramento.
Here we are on Calvine Road, in a planned community known as The Village.
So, 5 nearly identical homes hit the market, all with pretty much the same layout.
So why did one sell for $100,000 less? Let's check out the top sellers first.
Turns out, these 4 homes all had one thing in common: a fresh, beautiful remodel.
Their listings boasted open floor plans, fresh paint, and brand new flooring, super modern. And the kitchens? Total showstoppers. We're talking new cabinets, quartz, and stainless steel.
The bathrooms got that same sleek contemporary treatment, totally move-in ready for buyers.
And look at the results. They sold super fast and all went for at or above ask.
Okay, now for the outlier, that 5th home, and boy, is it a different story.
You see, this place was sold as is, in its original kind of dated condition.
That means everything. The fixtures, the finishes, was straight out of 1991, when it was built.
And the difference in how they performed on the market? Well, it was just dramatic.
Let's put the final numbers side by side. This is where it gets really interesting. When you put a remodeled home right next to the original, wow, the value gap is huge.
Visually, this chart says it all. You just can't ignore what buyers were willing to pay.
So what's the bottom line? This number right here. That's the average value of an update.
So what caused this huge price gap? It really all comes down to one thing: condition.
These were the winning moves: the kitchen, baths, new floors, and fresh paint. Game changers.
And this quote from a listing says it all. It's about selling a perfect package.
So the big takeaway? In a market full of identical homes, condition is absolutely king.